give them some fish.
Fish.
They feed them.
If you didn't get the love to feed.
They like fish.
Is he happy to humans? That sharks have love to humans?
You know this fish, this black fish, who is sticking in, comment on dit le ventre?
Stomach.
In the stomach of the shark is remora. It never swims, but it just stick on the stomach of the shark.
Wow.
And go with it when it go.
Where'd it go? Does he have a tail?
Yeah.
Does he have a tail?
Yes.
How come he have it? And how come he's not going to have a tail? I just saw it. I just saw it. He didn't have a tail.
Translator. She I'm a parade translator. I think in a few days I can understand. But you, I am crazy, but you understand me, and I'm not often.
Are you a shark?
I am not shark. I am to eat you.
I hate you.
You hate sharks.
I hate sharks, and now how are you going to face your shark?
Look at the remora.
I gotta hurt that shark in the face, he's dead. Yeah.
Maintenant un monde qui change à grande vitesse. On les chasse pour se distraire et pour leur chair. On les noie dans des filets de sécurité. Et la pêche commerciale
Is the fishes be a shark?
Ces grands poissons
Is the fishes be shark?
simples machines à tuer.
Ce sont des
charognards solitaires.
Do the fishes become a shark? No, fishes aren't sharks.
No, fishes be the shark in their body.
Sometimes.
Where are the fishes going in their body? Why?
Going to what?
Where are the fishes to go in their body?
Why are the fish close to their bodies?
Where's the fish? Are they?
So the remora, the small fish, you speak about the small one.
Mm-hmm.
The small one eats things they drop from the mouth of the shark when he eats something. Small things drop, and the remora eats them. It's laborious. Chips. Sheep or sheep. Sheep. There is sheep in the sea. Sheep.
Yeah, on the land.
It's too sheep. When it's not expensive.
Are you a sheep? Are you a sheep? How you in the face you are a sheep?
No.
With the sheep with two horns. You say horns?
Horns.
I didn't say horns.
I
I said unicorn horns.
Unicorn horns.